on right now.
Ordering it through Uber. When you want something
And because I'm
special.
closest, it should be me.
Uber,
No.
Most of the time it is.
That's
I
why
could
I gave his card.
rarely ever have a
Okay,
problem
so
with
you
it.
call him.
XL.
Okay. So where are you going, Amy? We're going to
I
Jet.
think he said
You can just put in-
pick up here.
you
Through
can-
Uber. You're still through
You can just put the airport
Oh.
and then
on that right now.
and we'll figure that out later. Yeah, scroll up and fill it. Yeah.
Next. Pick up.
Yeah, I gotcha.
So I just want to make sure I understand. So
Christian.
he
Perfect.
called you for you to be here at this time.
I texted
But
him.
now you texted him,
Yeah.
okay. And then right now he's plugging it in through Uber.
I just called for an Uber XL.
West toward
He's the
US 20
closest
west.
one, so he just boom, just accepted.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
So it's okay. Now I understand. Because I like the idea of having one person and that you could rely on and set up the time for them to be there.
Yeah, I think there's a gap in the system. I think that'll be coming in the future. Because you're not the first person I've heard say that either.
There was somebody who was driving for Uber, and he one time told me that there's another service. It's not Uber, but
Just
that's
ahead,
what they
make
did.
a left
You would
turn.
like get a favorite driver, and you could always request that driver.
Does Lyft do that through their system?
Not that I know of yet. There's been some talk about it. So I am in connection with some drivers out in California.
Okay, and it was in California, in San Diego.
Yeah.
Where he
Make a
was
left
talking
turn.
about it.
There's a couple different apps out there. There's like Via. There's another one coming around. So it's a co-op type of rideshare. So and then that one should have those preferred drivers preferences. It's just not there yet.
So we're kind of surrounded by lakes. Did you notice that? Like whenever you look out the window, there's a lake or a little pond.
Well, yeah.
There was like one over here,
that
and there's
next-
one
yeah.
over that way, and then the quarry is over there.
Are they big?
At a quarter mile, make a left
For me,
turn
they're
on Boston
big. Yeah.
Post
For
Road.
San Diego, they're
Yeah.
huge.
They're huge.
Except for the
For
ocean.
you. Yeah.
So maybe this is the bus they.
Yeah, they were talking about it.
That guy wasn't giving you any space there. He,
I don't think he has much.
Yeah.
This is his
It's all right.
road.
He wins.
yeah. That doctor was extremely impressive.
Yes. And so what is she?
She's a medical director at Biogen.
At Biogen.
Yeah.
So does she do the studies?
She's, I think, involved in probably the development of some of the studies and
Make a left turn
things
on
like that. And
Boston
I'm
Post
sure
Road. Then keep right onto Interstate 95
Nancy said
south.
she's in some of the medical reviews for content that, like sales or MAR want to put out. She does like the medical review of the accuracy of the data or the statements.
Yeah. So in 2006, when it was pulled off the market, was that 2006? There was nothing else. What was the
There's
competition?
Copaxone.
Yeah, there
I think
was-
some interferons.
Yeah.
Interferons, but their efficacy is known not to be as well.
I don't even think they're close to Tysabri.
Not even close. Yeah.
So when Tysabri was pulled, they had nothing. Like if it was pulled today, they'd have Ocrevus.
If you had a real aggressive form,
Yeah.
I don't think that the Copaxone and interferons are going to stop the disease in its tracks.
Yeah.
Whereas I've heard Tysabri, it does. It just, I could be wrong, Christine, you probably know, but isn't it like a 76% reduction in relapse rate? I mean, it's really high.
Yeah, I don't remember the specific percentage, and that's one of the things I was thinking. I was like, other than doing the initial studies in Biogen University, I don't know where like a pair value message is for that. Like, all of the brands have just sent it to
training
us.
yet.
I don't know that it was that high, to be
Okay.
honest. I mean,
And how long was it off the market?
not long, a few months. Was it a
9
year?
months, a year, if that.
Oh, that long?
I think they had to evaluate it, and they had to determine what was causing it and get some parameters around it. Like she was saying, they had an initial thing that could help them gauge if you were at higher risk. I would say it was like 6 to 12 months. But I don't know exactly.
I just
They did
wonder
talk
if-
about it at